tayo po ay gagawa ng luto-lutuan ni Elliot! Kasi ang nagluluto sa amin ay ang kanyang tatay, kaya ang gusto rin na ginagawa ng aming anak ay pagluluto at paglilinis ng bahay. Diba? Let's go!
Here are 3 benefits of making your own toys at home. Number 1, you are pushed to be more creative and resourceful.
Hello everyone! Tayo po ay matipid, kaya gamit ang mga boxes, kami po ay gagawa ng kitchen
Number 2,
ni Elliot.
it's eco-friendly.
Okay, let's go. So, using these boxes, ay babalik na rin lang po natin.
Nakaplag mo ba yan?
Simulan natin i-tape. I-tape. Ayan. Wala na nakita, anak. I-tape. Ayan, tape na namin. Tinitan. So, malinis na siya, di ba? Tingnan. Yan ang magiging baba. Medyo manipis yung box. Kaya, susubukan kung makabuo ng something and make it work. Ito yung pangalawang box. May kumukontra sa akin na hindi ko raw mabubuo ito. Pero, siya rin ang gagawa nito. Mukhang okay ba yan? Okay ba ito? Sasandalan lang natin sa pader.
Number 3, it is way more affordable. Most of the materials that are used for DIY projects are elements that you have at home, such as cardboard, bottles, papers that are used daily. Plus, there's a unique kind of charm when you build something with your bare hands. How much more if the family built it together? Whatever amount we save, we take note of it in our money management app. On Lista.ph app, we create a new savings challenge, enter the amount of your goal, frequency or number of times you want to add your savings, and the target date. So for example, instead of buying a kitchen toy on Shopee, we consider that amount as part of the money that we saved, and instead add it to baby's vaccination budget. On top of that, every week we allot an amount suggested by Lista.ph until we reach our goal. Lista app can also be used to track money coming in and out like salary, sales, and expenses, and to list down utang with SMS reminder notifications. It's very useful if you have a small business.
I will be using this used ice cream container as a sink. Charan! Tapos gugupitin ni Daddy.
One of the advantages of creating a toy at home is that you can modify it and adapt to your taste and personality. However, resources may be free but your time may not be. But when it breaks, you can simply throw it away. The whole process of designing the toy and looking for the materials, building the item, playing afterwards will create lasting memories in the whole family. And hopefully, eventually, we will see how our child that instead of asking us to buy things or toy, will ask us to make it at home.
Malapit na ang kitchen makeover! Are you excited? Oh, so patience is a virtue. Elliot! Kamusta? Ay, kinuha mo yung faucet mo. This is Elliot's sink. And tinanggal na niya yung nilagay ko na induction cooker. Pero dinawin ko na lang kasi tinatanggal niya. Pa tapos, pero this is the open! And then, bring out the pizza. Pizza? Very good. Okay, close na, close. We pray that our son learns what Apostle Paul taught his protege, young Timothy. Godliness with contentment is great gain, for we brought nothing into the world, and we can take nothing out of it. But if we have food and clothing, we will be content with that. Command those who are rich in this present world to put their hope in God, who richly provides us with everything for our enjoyment. Magluluto ka na ng prem?